Hello, Jackson.
That's not right.
What is your name?
Jackson.
And Jackson, how old are you?
No, that's not right.
What is right?
This is right. Not you.
Oh, right by me?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is this better?
No. This is better. Like me. I'm big.
You are big.
Like you big like me.
Yeah. And so, how old are you?
3,
3.
1, 6.
6. How high can you count? Can you count for me?
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3, 4, 5. Hey, I know. What's on your shirt? What's on your shirt?
That's Donald Duck.
That's 1. That's 6. That's 3. That's 4.
Oh yeah, that actually says 1934, 1934. Except for you're looking at it upside down. So, did you go to school today?
No.
Oh, where did you go?
And I went out and see question and they see me and I cried.
Oh, and you clapped at school?
No, I didn't cry.
Did you play outside?
Yeah. No.
Was it too cold?
Yeah.
Wow. What else did you do today?
Bring your jacket and look school outside and you play.
Did you know your face is a little bit dirty? Was that because you ate pizza?
Say, yes, sir, you ready, go.
Ready, set, go?
Yeah.
So did you want to play the fire truck puzzle tonight?
And no, and yes, and no, and yes, and you know, and yes.
Did you want me to tickle you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Taking me.
Wait, hey, can you tell me what is your favorite book?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it Harry McClary?
No.
Is it Slinky Molinky?
No.
What is it?
It's a cat and a hat.
Cat in the Hat?
Uh-huh.
I think you're making that up.
Yes. That's my daddy's rabbit.
It's your daddy's favorite?
Uh-huh. And Mommy and Jackson.
That's not my favorite book.
Yes, it is.
I love Harry McClary.
No. That's your favorite book.
It is.
No. That is mine. That is mine.
Hey, wait a minute. So what do you want to do this weekend?
I want to see it.